So, for anyone in the IT world, you've probably heard of the CCNA certification. It's like the foundational driver's license for networking. But what happens when you want to move from driving a car to flying a jet? That's where the CCNP comes in.
That's a great way to put it. CCNP stands for Cisco Certified Network Professional, and it's exactly that, the professional, advanced level. It proves you can not just operate a network, but you can actually plan, implement, and troubleshoot complex enterprise networks. We're talking about the big leagues here.
So, it's more than just a line on your resume. What's the real world impact of getting the certification?
Oh, it's huge. The skills are one thing, but the career impact is immediate. We're talking about a clear path to senior roles and a significant salary bump. Industry reports consistently show certified professionals earning 10 to 20% more than their non-certified peers. It's a direct signal to employers that you have validated advanced expertise.
Right. And I saw a stat that something like 92% of certified individuals just feel more competent in their roles after getting certified.
That's a massive part of it. It's a confidence booster. You're not just guessing anymore. You know how to handle complex problems because you've been tested on them.
That makes sense. Now, one thing that seems really interesting about the CCNP is that it's not just a single monolithic certification. It has different paths you can take.
Exactly. This is probably its biggest strategic advantage. It's not a one-size-fits-all deal. You can specialize. Cisco offers tracks like Enterprise, Security, Data Center, and even DevNet for network automation. So you can really tailor your career to what you're passionate about or what the market desperately needs.
So, how does that work? You just pick one and take an exam?
It's a two-exam format, which is different from the CCNA. For any track you choose, you first have to pass a broad core exam that covers the fundamentals of that domain, say security. Then, you choose a concentration exam that lets you go deep into a specific niche, like firewalls or cloud security.
I see. So, it guarantees both broad knowledge and deep specialization.
Precisely. In today's IT world, being a generalist only gets you so far. Companies are looking for specialists, the person who is the absolute go-to for network automation, or the one who can design a secure data center from the ground up. These tracks create those experts.
Got it. So, let's talk about the practical side. What does the journey look like? You pass the two exams, then what?
Well, first, you should know the cost for a full track is typically around $700. That's for both the core and the concentration exams. But here's the important part. The certification isn't for life. It's valid for 3 years.
Only 3 years? That seems short.
It seems short, but it's actually one of its most valuable features. It forces you to recertify. You can do that by passing another exam or by earning what are called continuing education credits through courses and other activities.
So, it keeps you from getting rusty.
Exactly. It ensures that a CCNP certified professional from 3 years ago isn't relying on outdated knowledge. The tech world moves incredibly fast, especially in networking. This recertification process guarantees that your skills are current, which is what makes the certification so respected. It shows a commitment to continuous learning.
So, to wrap this all up, if our listeners were to take away just a few key points about the CCNP, what should they be?
I'd say there are 4 main things. First, CCNP stands for Cisco Certified Network Professional, and it's an advanced certification for planning and troubleshooting major enterprise networks. Second, it's not one size fits all. It offers specialized tracks like security, data center, and DevNet, each requiring a core and a concentration exam. Third, it's incredibly valuable for your career, leading to senior roles and a salary that's often 10–20% higher. And finally, the certification is valid for 3 years, which requires you to keep your skills sharp through recertification, ensuring you stay relevant in the field.